Hi friends! So I'm going to try my hand at making some ropa vieja or carne desmechada, however you call it. It is both a traditional Cuban dish and a traditional Venezuelan dish. I've never made this before, so this is going to be my first time doing it. I looked up some recipes to kind of get an idea of what goes into it, and I'm just going to kind of do my own thing, per usual. And I'm going to do it in the Crockpot. What we want to do first is I'm going to put in the crushed tomatoes. Okay. Next we want to season the meat. Also going to do some tomato paste, actually. Mix it together. So we're going to take about 2 pounds of flank steak. Want to trim any excess fat off of it. This doesn't seem to be too fatty. Then we are going to season it. I'm going to do some Goya adobo. Going to do some ancho chili powder. A nice little kick. Some salt. Probably use a less coarse salt. Some garlic powder. Some black pepper. And I want to throw a bay leaf in here. Remember to take the bay leaf out before you start eating. Cool. Then do the same thing to the other side. And we're going to do the same thing to the second piece of meat. We're also going to put some beef broth. Okay, so it's in there and it's nicely covered with the crushed tomatoes and the broth and all that. Okay. So next what we want to do is we want to dice the onions and the bell peppers. Which are going to go on top. Now, all the recipes also call for olives. My husband is not a fan. And lastly, I'm just gonna put the cover on and we're gonna cook it. So we're gonna cook it on high. Let's put this closer. Okay. I'm gonna cook it on high for about 4 hours. And that's it. Good to go. Okay, so what we're gonna do is pull out the meat. Then we're going to use a mixer to shred it. Kind of how I did with the shredded chicken. So we've got the first layer shredded. I'm gonna put it back in the sauce. We're gonna keep shredding.